Hey everyone, today I'll show you how you can add and use free VPN in Windows. So first, you're gonna go to your settings, and then going to the network and internet, you go to VPN. You click on it, and then you can click on add VPN here. You can call this connection name whatever you want. Let's call it test. Alright, and then for the server name or address, you wanna go to your Chrome and open up this website called VPN Book, and then you go to this VPN tab. You go scroll down and you can choose whatever VPN that you want to use, and I'm gonna try to use this France one. I'm gonna select this and copy with Ctrl+C, going back to the setting. I'm gonna paste it here. Alright, and then you can click save and hit connect. So it will show you that you need to type in your username and password. So you can just go back here into the free VPN book, and then you can type in the username and the password. So the password is CF32E5W. I'm gonna go back, CF32E5W, and the username is VPN book. Okay, let's hit OK now, and it is verifying. It is connecting, and it should connect in any moment now. Alright, so now you know how to add your own VPN. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.